Welcome, welcome. I'm going to show you how you can do a mindful breathing exercise on the floor in a nice restorative pose to help turn on that parasympathetic nervous system and get your body to calm down and tell yourself that, yes, self-care is a priority for me. So I've got my pillows set up so that I can lie back in a reclining goddess pose and also in a supported back bend. That's going to help relax the hip flexors and also support the pelvis and get the hip adductors to release a little bit as well. So this meditation is going to involve, I like to call it hands on the belly. And so we're going to do some guided breathing into the hands and as they're in different places on the tummy. So let's get into position and then we'll get started. Find a comfortable position that's comfortable for you. You can do this with your legs straight out, or you can come into your goddess pose with your feet together, letting the legs come out. And if you need some pillows underneath the legs here to support that, if it feels like it's too stretchy or too much strain, then support your legs so they're a nice, gentle, and relaxed stretch. Right? And then underneath your lumbar, you want to have some support underneath your back and a nice and a gentle supported back bend here. And then to start, I just want to ask you to place your hands on your tummy. If you need some pillows to support your elbows, you can do that as well so your hands aren't straining. You're just going to place your hands on your tummy. You can have them on top of each other or side by side. And I just want you to think about breathing in through your breath, taking a nice slow breath in for the count of 6. And then you're going to breathe into your hands and lift your hands up into your belly with the belly. So nice, easy, slow breath. Breathing into the hands, count of 6. And then a nice exhale, count of 6. And we're going to do that 6 times, breathing into the belly. And then release, count of 6. Again. Draw breath into the bottom of your lungs and fill your belly. And then slowly exhale, pushing all the air out. Breathe in again. Pause and exhale. How much further down into your lungs can you get as you inhale? And how much air can you push out from the bottom of your lungs as you exhale? One more. Exhale. Now, take a little rest. Take your fingers, and then I want you to just roll your hands to the outside of your ribs so your fingers are curling over the top of your rib cage. Hopefully your elbows are resting onto the floor, supported by the pillows. And then we're gonna focus on expanding our breath into our hands, expanding the rib cage out to the side, and then back down. Okay, so it's still a nice deep breath. It's not a shallow breath. You're filling your entire lungs, but we're trying to expand outwards here. Count of 6, nice and slow. Into the ribs. And then exhale. Now you might feel some things tensioning and wanting to cramp up perhaps. Just breathe into them and let them know it's okay to relax as you inhale. Release that tension, and then exhale. Good. Count of 6, inhale. Relax through those ribs, expand into the hands. Exhale it all out. 2 more breaths. From the bottom of your lungs, exhale. Last one, breathe all the way into the bottom of your lungs, dropping the diaphragm. Into your pelvic floor. And then release. Let's do one more for good measure. Just think about that pelvic floor. See if you can breathe into your pelvic floor, into your pelvis. Okay. So you want to do count of 6 in, count of 6 exhale for 6 times on top of the belly, and then 6 times on the outside of the ribs. And then if you want to, if you're happy and mellow, you can just open your palms up to the sky. Continue your breathing, focus on your breathing and more mindfulness. And just be here until you're ready to get up.